awards. So now I invite Shri Shashikant Sharma ji, Secretary, Indian Society of Geomatics, to announce this year ISG awards in various categories. Shri Shashikant Sharma sir.
Respected dignitaries and delegates, good afternoon and welcome to ISG Award Ceremony. Every year, Indian Society of Geomatics recognizes outstanding contribution of scientists, researchers, and engineers in the field of remote sensing, GIS, GPS, and cartography by conferring several awards. The first award in this is Honorary Fellow of ISG. ISG confers Fellow to the of Society to a person of significant lifetime contribution in the field of geomatics. The first award in this category goes to Dr. A.S. Rajawat. The second award in this category of on ISG Honorary Fellow goes to Dr. Shakil Ramshu.
He has more than 111 publications in peer-reviewed international and national journals and has guided 4 PhD students. Dr. Rajawat has been very active in professional societies and has made significant. Dr. Shakil A. Ramshu has obtained PhD in civil engineering from University of Tokyo, Japan, and MS in remote sensing and GIS from Asian Institute of Technology, Bangkok, Thailand. With more than 32 years of research and academic experience, he has worked in the past as scientist at JAXA Tokyo and fellow at TERI Delhi. Currently, Professor Ramshu is Dean Research at University of Kashmir. He has published more than 200 peer-reviewed articles in national and international journals and has supervised 20 MPhil and PhD students. He has independently handled various research projects in the field of geomatics and has received several awards. He is member of several policy-making committees and working groups on environment, climate change, and disaster management at state, national, and international level. He is founder member of ISG Kashmir chapter and is currently serving as chairman. In recognition of his pioneering and outstanding contributions in the field of geomatics, the Indian Society of Geomatics confers Fellow of ISG on Dr. Shakil A. Ramshu.
Good morning, everybody. I am deeply honored by the recognition the Indian Society of Geomatics has conferred upon me as Fellow of the Society. My sincere thanks to the Executive Council of the Society for considering my achievements and contributions in the field of geomatics worthy for the award of fellowship. Though I am fortunate enough having been conferred fellowships of few other societies and academies, but this recognition from the Indian Society of Geomatics holds a special meaning for me, in a sense that it is recognition of my contribution for the promotion of geomatics in the country with the geographical focus in the Western Himalayas. I dedicate this award to my family, teachers, and students equally. Thank you very much, everybody.
The next award is National Geomatics Award for Excellence. This award has been instituted to recognize outstanding and important contribution in promoting geomatics technology and applications at country level. The award consists of 50,000 in cash, a medal, and a citation. The first award in this category goes to Dr. Vinod M. Botle for 2019.
Shri Vinod Madhavrao Botle completed his bachelor's degree in electrical engineering from VNIT Nagpur and master's in electronics and communication engineering from IIT Roorkee. During his 34 years of experience in ISRO, he has immensely contributed in the development and application of geospatial technologies, including development of decision support systems and process automation for geospatial data. He has been an architect of Bhuvan, Indiavaris, and Maharashtra Geoportal. He transformed Bhuvan from simple geoportal to dependable enterprise geoplatform for G-governance. His additional remarkable contribution is towards providing operational software solutions to national level projects. Presently, he is outstanding scientist and deputy director at NRSC Hyderabad. In recognition of his pioneering and outstanding contribution in development and application of geospatial technologies to the real-world challenges and for national level governance initiative, the Indian Society of Geomatics confers the National Geomatics Award for Excellence for 2019 on Shri Vinod M. Bothale.
Thank you so much, ISG, for recognizing my contribution and conferring National Geomatics Award for Excellence on me. I am really humbled and honored to receive it. Respected Dr. Shivan Sir, Chairman ISRO, Dr. Radhakrishnan Sir and Shri Kiran Kumar Sir, former Chairman of ISRO, dignitaries attending this function, and my dear friends. It is said that well begun is half done. I am really fortunate to learn my first lessons from Dr. P.S. Goyal Sir, my first guru and mentor. It immensely helped me in 34 years of my journey in ISRO. My thanks goes to all my seniors, center directors and chairmen of ISRO. I was lucky to have close interactions and timely guidance from them. I especially thank them for trusting my potential and providing me opportunities to excel. Nothing is possible without the teamwork. Thanks to all my teams for giving their best and respecting my leadership. The journey was quite fulfilling and rewarding. I thank each and everyone who contributed towards it. Thank you so much. Jai Hind.
The next National Geomatics Award for Excellence for 2020 is awarded to Dr. Ajay.
Dr. Ajay joined Space Applications Center in 1978 and contributed professionally to the activities of ISRO for more than 4 decades. Dr. Ajay has made pioneering contribution towards the development and operationalization of geospatial technology and applications for societal benefits in the country. He has led national teams which has created for the first time special inventory on desertification for the entire country, as well as large-scale inventory and monitoring of the Himalayan glaciers and the vital critical habitats of coastal zones of India. Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change has been using this information in framing policy guidelines related to environmental issues in the country, as well as in reporting and negotiating at various international forums. Dr. Ajay has been on the panel experts and also worked as consultant for UNCCD during the last 2 decades. He has been instrumental in the development and operationalization of NRDB, as well as indigenous GIS and IP package, namely IGIS, which has profoundly helped the natural resource managers, infrastructure planners, scientists, and students in using the geospatial technology in the country. In recognition of his enormous lifetime contribution in the field of geospatial technology and applications, his outstanding scientific leadership and international acclaim, the Indian Society of Geomatics confers the National Geomatics Award for Excellence for the year 2020 on Dr. Ajay.
Friends, I feel privileged and honored to receive this year's National Geomatics Award for Excellence. I would like to thank Indian Society of Geomatics for considering me for this prestigious award. In fact, this award is a recognition to each and every member of the teams at Space Applications Center, ISRO, as well as at various participating agencies of the country with whom I have worked over the past few decades to implement the national level programs and projects. I would also like to thank my seniors at Space Applications Center and ISRO for providing me the opportunities to work for so many programs and projects having national and international importance. Once again, I would like to thank each and everyone who has helped me during my professional career at Space Application Center, ISRO. Thank you.
Next award is K.N. Rao Endowment Young Achiever Award. ISG instituted this award to encourage young researchers and scientists pursuing research in the field of geomatics. This award carries a cash prize of Rs 10,000, citation and medal. This Young Achiever Award goes to Sri Prashun Kumar Gupta.
Dr. Prasun Kumar Gupta has made original contribution to the field of software development for geospatial applications. His significant contribution include development of platform-independent open-source tools for hydrological modeling, deriving urban morphological parameters, and geospatial data cube. Though his expertise is in computer programming, he has developed several tools for thematic
Thank you. It is a huge honor for me to receive Professor Kakani Nageshwara Rao Endowment Young Achiever Award for the year 2020 conferred by the Indian Society of Geomatics. I am deeply honored by my superiors for this recognition of my work. I sincerely thank Lord Almighty, current and past directors and deans of IIRS ISRO, my parents, colleagues, family, friends, and well wishers for helping me reach a stage where I can proudly hold up this award as a mark of my achievement. Thank you.
The next award is ISG Chapter Award for Best Performance. This award is given to an active chapter of ISG which has made significant contribution to the mandate and goal of the society. The awards consist of citation and trophy. This year's award goes to ISG Shillong Chapter.
The Indian Society of Geomatics Shillong chapter, since its inception in year 2014, is continuously involved in dissemination of knowledge related to geospatial technologies among the Northeast region by organizing special days such as Environment Day, International GIS Day, National Science Day, organizing workshops, seminars, knowledge sharing lectures, organizing competition among school, college students like poster making, debates, and quiz. During the year 2019-20, ISG Shillong chapter organized the National Symposium on Innovations in Geospatial Technology for Sustainable Development with special emphasis on Northeast region at NESAC, Shillong, with a pre-symposium tutorial on 4 key themes. The conference was successful and attended by more than 350 delegates. In recognition of its significant contribution for spreading awareness in the field of geomatics, the Indian Society of Geomatics confers ISG Chapter Award for the best performance to ISG Shillong Chapter.
ISG Shillong chapter actively engaged in various activities. The credit goes to Secretary Dr. Vijay Handi and Chandan Goswami. So I request Vijay to acknowledge the activities of ISG.
Thank you, sir. I also joined Director NESAC and also the chairman of ISG Shillong chapter. So we thank ISG headquarters for bestowing the guest chapter award to ISG Shillong chapter. A number of activities ISG Shillong chapter have been doing, and very successfully we have completed the last year's National Symposium, ISG ISRS National Symposium, with I think more than 350 delegates. We once again thank you ISG for bestowing the award.
Now the last award is President's Appreciation Medal for contribution to ISG. This award will be given to a member of the society who has made noteworthy contribution to the growth of the ISG. The awards consist of medal citation and a cash prize of 10,000. This award for this year goes to Ms. Darshana Rawal.
Ms. Darshana Rawal obtained her master's degree in geomatics as well as master's in computer applications. She is working as Director Projects and Technical at Center for Applied Geomatics, CEPT University, Ahmedabad. She is teaching various subjects of geoinformatics and guiding students for their dissertation work. Ms. Darshana Rawal is an active life member of ISG, participating in ISG's activities such as coordination of celebration of GIS Day and many other societies' activities. She has encouraged more than 40 students to become ISG life members. She was one of the members coordinating for pre-conference tutorial on sustainable smart cities, geospatial solutions during ISG National Symposium in 2018. She has made outstanding contribution in the Indian Society of Geomatics Ahmedabad chapter. In recognition of her outstanding contribution in the activities of ISG Ahmedabad chapter, the Indian Society of Geomatics confers President's Appreciation Medal on Ms. Darshana Rawal.
Thank you all.
धन्यवाद सर। सभी अवार्ड विनर्स को बहुत बहुत बधाई। As a token